guys, it's Rico here with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you the vending machine I got. Well, I made it. So what I did is just got a blade and I cut through here, like a square thing. And then what I did is this little hole. It's like a vending machine thing. It's like a hole. Go in the hole. It's a Shopkins vending machine. There's a hole here. And what you need to do is just put like a quarter here. So let's get it up close, cause okay. So can you guys see it now? Yeah, there it goes. I need to place it down here. Let me get this. Get it. Get out of there. Okay. So I'm gonna place it like this. Come on. Okay. So basically, this is a Shopkins vending machine, and really, there's awesome things to it. So I just cut with a blade like that, and what I did is I made this little hole, and you dig in, and you got your Shopkins. So, and this little hole, there's like a little hole here. If you guys can see it, right here, there's a little hole, and you put a quarter in, so you can get a Shopkins. And it only works if you put a quarter in. So, right here, I have 1 quarter. I have 1 quarter here. So I'm going to put the quarter right here. I'm going to put it inside that hole. Let me see if it fits first of all. Okay, it fits. So we put the quarter in there. Now we go for a Shopkins. Which one can we get? Ow, it's hard. Let me see. Let's shake it again. I felt like I got one. Who did I get? Ooh! I got a sparkly ultra honey. That's good. We'll put them right there. And I got another quarter. And I can put it right here. And let's see what Shopkins we can get. Is it out? Yep. It's out. Okay, so let's open it and see what Shopkins we can get. I'm hoping for a package. Closing my eyes. Why is it so hard? My fingers are hurting now. Crazy vending machine. Alright, what did I got? Ooh, I got my favorite season 4. I got comfy couch. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, let's put on our last quarter inside. Just put it inside there. So it fell in. So let's open this up. And let's get a Shopkins. I'm really hoping for exclusive. At least it's exclusive. What did I get? What did I get? Oh my god! I got the Toasty Pop. I repainted silver. That's cool. So here's a review of what I got today. Here's a review of what I got today. I got an Ultra Rare Season 2 Shopkins Honey. I got a Season 4 Comfy Couch. And I got a repainted silvered color Toasty Red.